As schools start a new year, campus security is top of mind. Every second counts during a school shooting. It can take several minutes for police to engage a threat. But what if a response could be deployed in under 60 seconds, not by officers, but by elite gamers, hundreds of miles away with drones? Check this out. Every second counts during a school shooting. Now, Austin-based Campus Guardian Angel says it has developed game-changing technology that can help neutralize a school shooter before first responders breach the doors. Campus Guardian Angel uses an air force of less lethal drones to protect schools.
So our mission is to respond in 5 seconds, to engage the shooter in 15 seconds, and to degrade or incapacitate with effects in 60 seconds.
Dozens of small drones are charged and staged throughout the school and are immediately deployed when triggered.
So the trigger can come from any layer that the school has already, whether they have panic buttons, whether they have AI gun detection.
The response is a symphony of calculated chaos, a multi-stage assault designed to overwhelm and disorient an attacker.
So we're using distraction devices, think sirens, strobe lights, we can drop multi-bang flash crashes.
That sets the stage for the drones to shoot paintballs with pepper spray. But it's not over yet.
And that gets him to sit still enough to use the drone itself as a kinetic weapon. So hit the assailant at 60, 70 miles an hour.
So the drone rams the shooter at 67 miles an hour. It's basically a guided missile, buying law enforcement time to locate and engage, giving them a tactical advantage.
It all happens really fast.
The drone attack is relentless. They can even breach windows from the outside to reach a target.
If you hit it with enough speed and you've got enough momentum, we were able to get through a double pane and a blind pretty much every time.
And for a shooter thinking of fighting back, it's almost impossible.
Shooting these drones down is like trying to shoot a mosquito. We have 3 former elite special forces operators as our threat actors, and all of them found it was like trying to shoot a mosquito, and they felt if they'd had 3 of these drones coming at them in a wave, they would have been overwhelmed.
Now here is the most cutting-edge part. All of the drones are piloted from Austin in the Campus Guardian Angel Ops Center over an encrypted channel on the internet.
That's right, yeah. So from Austin, we can jump into drones in any school in the nation in 5 seconds.
And the way they're able to do that is by creating a digital twin of every protected school. Then the pilots do training runs in cyberspace.
Once we start protecting a school, our pilots can fly scenarios in that school every day.
And they're not just any pilots. They are esports pros, elite drone racers.
So we have 4 of the top 10 drone racing pilots in the nation in our team today. So that's a guy called Christian who flies by Amari in the drone racing world as our chief pilot, and then 3 other pilots, and we're adding more.
Campus Guardian Angel says the model is simple. Arm schools with less lethal, low-cost drones and save lives.
We don't care if the drones get hurt because they're just lumps of plastic. We don't care if they get hurt. We care about kids getting hurt. And so the quicker we can get there to save their lives, the better.